Welcome back to our React tutorial series. In this video, we're going to explore one of the core concepts of React, components and props. Understanding how components work and how they communicate with each other using props is essential for building dynamic and modular user interfaces. Let's start with components. In React, a component is a reusable building block for UI elements. Components are like custom HTML elements that encapsulate their own functionality and styling. They allow us to break down the UI into smaller, manageable pieces, making our code more modular and easier to maintain. There are two types of components in React. Functional components. These are JavaScript functions that return JSX. They are simpler and recommended for most use cases. Class components. These are ES6 classes that extend the React component class. They have additional features like state and lifecycle methods. Now, let's talk about props. Props, short for properties, are a way of passing data from parent components to child components. Props are immutable, meaning they cannot be changed by the child components. Props allow us to customize and configure our components dynamically based on different data or conditions. Let's look at an example to better understand components and props. In this example, we have a parent component named parent component and a child component named child component. The parent component passes two props, name and age, to the child component. The child component receives these props and renders them within its JSX markup. That's a brief overview of components and props in React. Components allow us to create reusable UI elements, while props enable us to customize and configure those components dynamically. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of components and props in React. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more React tutorials and updates. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into React development.